Well-optimized pages need to have certain elements, and each of these elements needs to be created with care. Here are the elements that go into creating the ideal page. The URL needs to be optimized and the words need to be chosen with care. The URL is your page's name and it's displayed in your browser's address bar. A page's URL is a ranking signal, and if the URL is constructed right, it can help a page rank much better than it otherwise would. The page title. The title is the most important of all on-page elements, and it needs to be optimized if your page is to rank well. The body copy. Your body copy plays a key role in getting traffic from the search engines. Unless your copy meets certain requirements, your page will not get much traffic. Images. To rank well, your page needs to have images, and your images need to be optimized as well. Table of contents. This is a secret hardly anyone seems to be talking about. By having a table of contents designed in a certain way, your page can get a lot more buyer traffic. Comparison table. This is perhaps the heart of your page. This is where you will be having your affiliate links, and there's a way to design the comparison table for maximum conversions. Outbound links. No page would be well optimized unless it links out, and this is something most people neglect to do. This is an essential part of SEO. Secondary keywords. In addition to the main focus keyword, you can also target several secondary keywords and your page can rank well for all of them. Where to place ads and affiliate links. It's very important that you do not clutter your page with ads like so many people do. This has become critically important after Google's Panda update. Not doing this right can mean a penalty. In the next few videos, we will take a detailed look at each of these. The kind of pages we build, they have enough ranking power to rank several low competition keywords, even if these keywords are not included in their entirety in the title and the URL. So, it would be good to have at least around 5 or so related keywords as secondary keywords, in addition to the main focus keyword. The keywords have to be very low competition phrases and do not pay too much attention to the search volume. What we are looking for are low to very low competition keywords, those with a difficulty score less than 20. This is the blueprint we created for the siloed site. Let's suppose we need to find a few secondary keywords for best twin mattress for adults. Here's how we might go about doing this. We can use long tail keywords related to either twin mattresses or mattress for adults. We need to make sure the keywords are relevant and are of low competition. To find the secondary keywords, we will use the Google Suggest scraper, tinysuggest.com. Let's start with running a search on tinysuggest for the phrase twin mattress for. The results are here. Now, as we scroll down the list, we need to pick phrases that would be relevant for the phrase best twin mattress for adults. We need to pick phrases that would not seem out of place on this page. I have already looked at the phrases in this list and selected 5 phrases and computed their keyword difficulty scores. There are a lot of phrases and several of the others would be suitable as well. Also, Keyword Revealer does give several suggestions for each of the phrases, and many of those could have been good candidates for the list of secondary keywords. In the next video, we will look at another example on finding secondary phrases. In this video, we will find around 5 secondary phrases for the keyword best memory foam contour pillow. We can search tinysuggest for the following set of phrases: memory foam contour pillow and memory foam pillow. We'll pick a few from the list we get for each of these phrases after checking the keyword difficulty score with Keyword Revealer. We'll first search for memory foam contour pillow. If we can't get at least 5 suitable keywords from the list we get for this phrase, we'll try the second phrase. Here are the results. There are a lot of phrases here, so we'll choose a phrase at random. Let's select this one, adjustable memory foam contour pillows. We'll check the keyword difficulty score. The difficulty score is 21. That's alright, we'll copy this. Keyword Revealer suggests 2 more phrases. Let's evaluate the keyword difficulty scores of each of these phrases. The difficulty score is 13, which is extremely low competition. So, we will copy this phrase. Let's now evaluate the keyword difficulty score of the other phrase. The keyword difficulty score of this one is 20. Let's copy this. I went through the phrases in this list here and have selected a few more phrases. We'll check the keyword difficulty scores of each of these phrases and select those that have a keyword difficulty score less than or equal to 20. Let me pause the video while I do that. Here are the keyword difficulty scores. These 3 phrases can be used as secondary phrases. So this is a list of secondary phrases for this page.